Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner and then click on the bottom right one. Then click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in this pop-up. Now finally, you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And then click on the top right corner. After that, select bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Finally, click on one of those options, select Settings and tap on OK. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and select Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!